Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial of Wix. So today I'm going to show you how you can give the margin or padding for a strip. So basically how we can give a width to a strip. So just click on strip and now currently it is stretched, but if you click on page, so this is how it is. Actually the strip is now this much only, not this much. So previously it was still here, but now it's not still here, it's here and it is not full width. Here there's a here is a background of page basically and this is strip. So I will add the color so that you can understand it better. So as you can see we have give color to the strip and this is a strip. And if we just click on screen, as you can see this is now it is like a full screen width of a strip. But we also have a custom option to give the padding or a width. So 40, 60, 80 is how we can do it in custom way. So I think the 180 or 190. So as you can see 190 is the last option you can have, and then you can just click on page and you can't go like a further. This is the last option. So this is how we can do it. I hope you understood whatever I showed in this video. So now I think you'll be able to do it on your own. So let's try once and let me know in the comments if you found it helpful or easy for you. So I hope you got it. Thank you.